Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use diskpart command to manage partitions on Windows 11. Yes, you are heard right. It's a very powerful tool which will allow to diskpart your Windows 11 and it will help you to manage your disk partitions directly from the command line. So let's get started. Uh, Go to search bar, then type command prompt. As you can see on the top here, select run as administrator and you have to select yes. Now you have to put the code which I'm putting on the screen. Type disk disk part and press the enter key. This will launch the disk part utility. Remember, running disk part is as an administrator is crucial as it needs elevated privilege to modify disk and partitions. As you can see here, now to get started, let's see all the disks connected to a computer. Now type list disk, list list space disk, and press the enter key. Now this will show you all the available disks on your system. Each disk will have a corresponding number which will you use in the suspicious as you can see here, disk number 0 online as well as my size. Now, if you want to select the disk 1, type the select disk 1. Type select disk space 1 and press enter key. Now, you will see a confirmation that this, oh, I have to type this 0 as you can see here. Select this 0. It's my particular number. Now, press enter key. Now, you can see a disk 0 is now the selected disk. You will see a confirmation. Now, you can perform various operations on it. You can create a partition. Now to create a new partition, type the following code. You have to type create partition primary size 50,000 MB or you can type 50 GB. You can adjust as the size needed and it's very easy. You can also format the disk by putting format fs. I will put the code here so you will look on my screen. For formatting your disk through command prompt, type format fs equal to NTFS quick. Now put this on your command prompt, it will format the disk. So that's it guys. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank